So how do you add a product to your store to start selling? So let's go to our pages first, and then we're going to create a shop. So first thing you do is click on the plus button, and let's go ahead and add a store, right? So once you add a store, let's create a new store, right? And then let's pick this layout here. But I've already created that, so let's go right into it. And I'm going to go to my shop, and I'm going to click on the plus button. I'm going to add an item. So here you can select a physical product, and that means something you have to ship that you make, a digital product, which means you can attach a link to something that you sell and they get a digital download, such as a PDF, and a service. So right now I'm going to add a service product. This is for a client, a gym client, and I'm going to add the name to deposit. Started commitment to training. All right. And then I'm going to add an image. So drag here. And I'm also going to add a thumbnail image for my computer. And I'm going to price it. This one is $750. And you can make it go on sale if you want. So I'll show you that. If you make it go on sale, you can put a sale price in. Say it's $650. And then it automatically will cross that out and show the sale price, but let's turn that off. Let's make this an unlimited quality. It's a pretty big gym, so they can sell a lot of memberships. And here you can add variants. So you can add color, size, length of term. So you go ahead in here and you can create an option, 9-month, for example, or time, duration. Duration is the option, and then we'll do 6 months. And then hit apply. All right, let's add multiple. So add and now you have your variance. You can change the price. So say it's 6 months, so let's make that in half. But let's get rid of that for now. But that's wanted to show you that. Okay. And now let's go make sure that's unlimited quantity. Let's make sure that's $750. You can add a category. So let's add a category here, and that's training. And that allows you to organize your store later if you want to, in different categories, okay? All right, and now here you can optimize your product. And there's some things you can add a subscription if this wants to automatically renew. That's an advanced feature. That's the basics of how you want to set up your product. So let's hit save and publish. And there you go. And then now you can actually just reorder this if you want. You can drag and drop and reorder that. And that's how you set up your first product.